Yo, what's up mga treasure? Highlights reel tayo for today ng ating PBA Commissioner's Cup 2023-2024 Championship Team San Miguel Beermen. So join me as I show you how many highlights na meron tayo and gaano tayo kalapit since naka-VIP tayo that game. So tara na, samahan nyo ako. Let's watch this game. Let's go! Game started, napakaganda agad ng laban. Nag-floater agad si CJ Perez para sa San Miguel Beermen. And another post move by their import. Pinasa kay CJ Perez, binalik kay Boatwright. Then Boatwright drives, napakagandang pasa for the Kraken. And this move is brought to you by the Kraken. Post up sa labas ng paint. So pagpasa niya kay Boatwright, napakagandang mismatch. Basket ng San Miguel. Fast-paced game, pinasa kay CJ Perez. Perez drives, pinasa sa Kraken. Binalik kay Perez for an easy basket. Napakaganda. A very basic play, 3 points sa labas by Chris Ross. Bang bang, bakit daw pinapahirapan ng basketball? San Miguel Beermen taking their time. Chris Ross dribbling the ball carefully. Pinasa niya kay CJ Perez. CJ dribbling the ball. Exploded. Napakagandang drop pass kay Kraken. Tatlong tao pumalibot. Di kinaya. Nice basket. Display show kung gaano ka-fit si Boatwright sa team ng San Miguel. So kita nyo yung position niya sa ilalim. Cut paloob. Kuha ng basket. Then tinira. Score ng San Miguel. Display right here ni Cruz. Isa sa pinakamaangas para sa akin dito sa game na to. So he have the ball. He's dribbling it. He's making his way. Exploded. Created the separation. Pull-up jumper, napakalinis. Terence with the ball. Pinasa niya kay Junmar Pajardo. Pajardo making his move. So trying to find someone to pass on. Boatwright cut, pero binisik lang ni Junmar. San Miguel Beermen with the ball, they are taking their time. They are spending time above the 3-point line. Pass it on, binigay kay Cruz. Cruz drives, floats in, basket. Last play for this video, and this shows how Benny Boatwright is a complete package. So as you can see, they're dribbling the ball, basic pass to Boatwright, 3-point line, bang! And that's your PBA Commissioner's Cup champion, San Miguel Beermen. I hope I can watch this close again next conference. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys later. See ya.